Students, we are going to set up your Chrome profile. So you probably have your own Gmail account. So what we want to do is separate your personal account from your school account. We're going to do that by making two Chrome profiles. So if you will look in the upper right hand corner, you'll see I have an icon. It's got the letter T. If you don't have that, you will have something else. So you want to click that. And then you want to go to Add. Okay, so click Add. And then you might want to put like school account or SA account or SA student account, just so you know that this account is your school account. And then choose an icon. Okay, already Chrome user sign in. That's what you want. Then put in your school email and the password that we sent you. If you're not a new student and you're a returning student, you may have already reset your password, so that's the one that you use. All right. At a certain point, Chrome is going to ask you if you want to link accounts and link your data. You just want to agree to this. All this is doing is linking your school data so that if you add other services or extensions, or we send you a service or extension, anytime you sign into Chrome anywhere, you can get it. So the advantage is on any laptop, if you sign into Chrome instead of just signing into your email, you actually can get all of the stuff at your school. All right. And if you already have a Gmail profile and you haven't set up a Chrome profile with your personal Gmail, follow the steps again and just add your personal Gmail account. And once you do that, you can actually open your personal one and your school one and put the windows next to each other, or you can put them on different desktops. It's totally up to you. Thank you.